Boom 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 boom. My name is Flame Biz, and I am here to say that I'm here to create a real fight day. Yo! Boom 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 boom.
Wait! Because it's delicious! Not really.
I lost my guinea pig. I don't know where to find them. They ran away from me, and it's driving me crazy. Damn! She fell in the hole.
She tripped over the trench!
I didn't see the video.
I'm recording. She tripped over the trench! Maybe that's where our guinea pigs went. They went in the trench. After falling into that trench, Flame Biz was never the same. She thought she was okay, but she wasn't. Even her only friend in the world, Cheeky the steer who sticks his tongue out and likes looking at women's butts, even he thought that this was a dramatic moment, and he knew that he had to do what a steer has to do, even a fat one that looks like it's pregnant. He called on his very eccentric friend, Pepper the Hound. She thought she was a bloodhound, but she really wasn't. Psst! Pepper! What is it? Oh no! Indigo must be in trouble! Pepper, no funny business. This is really important. Pepper, there's a really bad danger. I like eating grass. Pepper, do you not realize how important this is? Do you not realize? In that case, I'll have to go on alone. Cheeky? Maybe I should go help him. Or maybe I shouldn't. She doesn't want to help. In that case, I'm going to have to do this alone. If only I could get through the fence though, but my owners won't let me, not even to record a silly video. Damn it!
Hello, Cheeky.
It's worse than I thought. She's delusional from the fear that she's being kidnapped by the hammock! It's okay, I'll take out the grass for you. I like grass for breakfast. She is stupid. I did a good job, I think. The heroic Pepper saved the day. Woohoo! What the... Oh, I can't zoom in anymore. Oh well, I was going to do... Pepper's here. Yum, 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 yum. I'm here to save you from the evil grass. What in Lord's name? This isn't some kind of little, party thing. This is a mission. Are you ready, soldier? I'm ready for anything. Boys. What am I gonna do now? This dog is crazy. Crazy, I tell you. Dap, dap, dap. My favorite breakfast is grass. I like to rip it up because my owner taught me how to, and now I do. Waiting, yes, I wait the garden. Woo! The wind. There's too much wind. Cows don't like wind. Cows are scared of wind. All cows big and small scared of wind. Wind is very scary, even though we're hairy. Why am I so scared of wind? Why am I so scared of wind? Moo! I can see the wind coming closer. Wait, end the song. There's yummy pear leaves. I'm not going to eat them on camera, even though I just was trying to eat them. Oh. Wait a minute. Am I being recorded? Look at my adorable face. Dun, 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 dun.
Be continued, young ones.